I'm going to take you through the recent Instagram update that's brought some fresh and exciting text options for your Instagram content. Have you noticed the new text layout and formatting options? No? Well, it's coming soon and going to be rolled out across all accounts for Reels, Stories, and Posts. The new upgrade is great, but in my opinion, the new customizations are long overdue. And just so you know, you could be in the same position as me, as I have one of my accounts that hasn't had the update yet. Let's take a closer look. To access these new features, simply open Instagram, tap the plus button and open Stories. Upload or capture your image or video and tap the text sticker at the top. The first thing you'll notice is a new look formatting bar that is now located just above your keyboard. Before, the formatting was split between here and at the top. Now let's break down what's new and what you can do. Fonts. What used to be 9 is now 14. Explore the 14 new fonts to find the perfect style for your message. And right now, there seems to be one special font, which is for Halloween, which takes it to 15. Colours. Choose from a slightly updated palette of colours to match your theme. You can still tap and hold the dropper to select a colour in your image. Animations. Add dynamic effects to your text with the Typewriter animation, a letter at a time that animates in, pop, which scales up and then back to size, and a jump animation where the text kind of flies in and lands. There used to only be just one animation per different font, but not ones you could apply to any text font. Although some of those animations before I kind of actually liked and were better in my opinion. Effects. You have 4 to help your text stand out. Sparkle, Neon, Shimmer, and Pixel. Alignment. Align your text to the left, right, and center, which is the same as before. Text backgrounds. Customize the background color of your text to create a visual appealing design, and each different type of text comes with a different background look. These new features offer a ton of benefits for creators and users. It allows for more creative customization for your different posts across Instagram, making them more visually appealing and can better match your chosen brand aesthetic. Over to you now to see how creative you can get with your new text formatting. And don't forget to let me know in the comments which Instagram font is now your favorite and the one you'll be using most. I hope this tutorial has inspired you to get creative with your future posts. I'm Ray, this is Simply Create. Thank you for watching. Until the next one, keep creating. Peace.